Dear friends, whether you are an artist or an employee in the bank, everyone makes use of pencils, and even children got involved in fights over pencils in their childhood. Now friends, some use pencils for chewing more often than writing with them. But has ever this thought come to your mind that how leads inside the pencils are filled in them and how pencils are manufactured in the factory? In this video, you will learn about the complete process of manufacturing. But friends, before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe right away. Now let's begin the video. In the old times, people used to write with the help of feathers and ink. But oftentimes the ink used to splash over the paper, ruining it altogether. After that, people started making use of charcoal, but the problem encountered was that their hands used to get black while using it. After that, some genius covered charcoal with wood, which is called a pencil today. So now let us have a look at the entire manufacturing process of a pencil. Dear friends, the lead of the pencil is made as the first step to manufacturing a pencil. Graphite, clay, and water are mixed thoroughly. Now after this, the pressing machine molds the mixture in the required shape of the lead. In the next step, these leads are dried and then heated at 1500 degrees Fahrenheit to make it hard. Now these leads are submerged in the liquid wax for some time and some color is added to the wax or clay if colored pencils are to be made. Friends, now that lead has been made, how to put it inside the wood? In fact, pencils are made up of those types of wood only which can be sharpened afterwards by using sharpeners and are not very fragile either, that they break while holding. And for this purpose, deodar wood is used all across the world to make pencils. First of all, wood is cut into big sheets and then machines are used to make grooves on them such that leads can be placed on them. Firstly, glue is applied in the grooves and then leads are placed in them so that they can become settled in their place firmly. A similar wooden sheet is placed on top of it. Now, these wooden sheets are placed in the compression machine which applies a force of 900 kilograms from both the sides for about an hour. By doing so, the two wooden sheets get attached to one another. Now comes the turn of converting the sheets of wood into pencils. For this purpose, those sheets that were earlier placed in the compressor are now placed in these machines, which cut those sheets into different shapes of pencils. And this process is repeated twice to get the hexagon shape of the pencils. Now after this, these pencils are entered into a machine known as liquoring head which colors the pencils. Now these pencils enter into the machine one by one and get colored. And before dyeing the pencils, they are stamped. Now the pencils are ready for packaging, but often pencils have erasers attached to their head. And so attach them increases the task. To make an eraser, rubber is first added into the heating roller and even the old expired eraser is added to it. And to harden the rubber, sulfur is also added to it. Speed up this process, several catalysts are added, which increases the speed of this process. Now, color and vulcanized oil are also added to it. Vulcanized vegetable oil is made by treating sulfur with normal vegetable oil and is the most important component of the eraser because its ability to erase does not come from the rubber but rather from the vulcanized oil. Now that the mixture is hard, it is cut with the help of machines and then the workers leave them in the steam heated oven. After that, they are placed in water for cooling, and after that a machine cuts them into small shapes. One machine attaches aluminium to the pencil while the other fits the rubber on the pencil according to the shape. And after that, your pencil is ready to reach you. So friends, which pencil did you use in your childhood? Do tell us by commenting and do not forget to like and share this video.